Hello again, Flomies! I've been missing this intro-outro format. I kind of enjoyed doing it, so we're gonna get back to it. We are gonna learn 3-beat weaves today, but before we get started, I do just want to say a super quick thank you. A super mega thank you! I'll be honest, you guys, when I started this channel, my big goal was like 100 subscribers. Because if I got 100 subscribers, that means I'm helping people learn, I'm doing something right, and that's awesome. 500 was like the pipe dream goal. Like maybe decades into the future, I might reach 500. And now I'm at like, I just checked, I'm at like 1,500? Almost 1,600? No pressure. But I really appreciate all of the love and support you guys have given. I'm still seeing comments on new comments on some of my older videos, and it makes me so happy. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Also, updates for TFC Book 2 are coming soon, so stay tuned if that's something you're excited for. And yeah, I'm not gonna keep you here very long. We're gonna get into it. 3-beat weaves. Let's go.
So this is what a 3-beat weave looks like. Each fan is doing 3 beats, 1 on the native side and 2 on the non-native side. Yes, I realize when I do it sped up, it looks super complicated, but I promise it's super simple once we break it down. So this is what a 2-beat weave looks like. If you already know that, that's a prereq. But to recap, our thumbs are going to lead the way as we draw a figure 8 around our body in the wheel play. So each fan is going to do 1 beat on each side. We're going to keep a nice rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2. We're basically drawing an X in front of us. And again, we're going to keep that rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2. And I say it all the time, but you got to keep a loose grip, you guys. You got to open up your grip. Do not grab your fans. Keep them loose. But once you've gotten used to that motion, it'll be a lot easier to throw in that extra beat. But first, we're going to break it down together. So we're going to start with 1 fan, and we're going to bring it up, thumb leading, on its native side. And then when we cross over to the non-native side, we're going to do a scoop. And then we're actually going to switch to our thumb. You can see here, I usually have it on my fingers. It's on my thumb now. And that grip switch is ultimately going to make it a lot easier to throw in an extra beat. Why am I lingering on it so long, though? They get the point, Danny. It's getting weird. Get back to work. Anyway, once you switch it to your thumb, you're going to do a single beat and then switch it back to your fingers. So a single beat and then right back to your fingers. See that? Nice quick switch. So get used to that switch, and then you're going to practice that rhythm. 1, 2, switch to your thumb, 3. 1, 2, switch, 3. 1, 2, switch, 3. I'm bouncing to help you keep the rhythm and get used to counting. The bouncing is optional. It is fun though. And don't forget the other fan. Same thing, we're going to go up on our native side and then down and switch on the non-native side. So again, 1, 2, switch, 3. 1, 2, switch, 3. Now I do want to tell you about a mistake I was making. So when I first learned, I was switching my thumb grip way out here in front of me instead of on the other side, and then it kind of resulted in me doing like this weird super quick spinny thing, and it just like did kind of mess with the timing. So at least when you do it correctly, you can keep a steady rhythm. Your arms are going to be a big part of this too. Notice that when you're doing a 3-beat weave, your arms are kind of taking turns. They're stacking on top of each other pretty much. That's a big part of this motion, is that when you're on the other side, while your fan is doing the 3rd beat, your other fan is coming around to finish its first. And again, loose grip. Keep your grip loose.
I definitely did the tutorial footage on a different day because I didn't know when I was going to be able to post it. So I don't remember what my closing thoughts were at the time. So I'm going to do a nice quick close off here for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for updates to TFC 2, also titled The Fool Circus Fire Goddess. It's going to follow Inez. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!
And then you're going to practice the rhythm. 1, 2, switch your thumb. Switch your thumb? No. Switch to your thumb. To your thumb. You're not switching thumbs. And then you're going to practice that rhythm. 1, 2, switch your thumb. Yep, that was definitely English. I quit. I am done for the day.